Tommy, a little boy who didn't like brushing his teeth. Every morning and night, it was the same struggle.
Do I have to brush again?
Tommy would do anything to avoid his toothy chore. But everything changed when Tommy met a tiny, magical friend. Hi, Tommy. I'm Twinkle, your tooth defender. I'm here to show you how fun and important brushing your teeth can be. Twinkle took Tommy on an amazing journey inside his mouth. Look at all these sugar bugs. They love to make holes in your teeth.
Oh no, how do we stop them?
With your toothbrush, of course. It's like a superhero weapon against sugar bugs. Twinkle showed Tommy how to brush properly. Up and down, round and round, don't forget the back. Tommy learned that brushing could be fun and important.
Wow, I can't wait to brush my teeth now.
And from that day on, Tommy always brushed with a smile.
Brushing is fun. I love keeping my teeth clean and healthy.
Remember, kids, brush twice a day to keep your smile bright and strong. Like and subscribe for new videos every week.